This video will show you how to find articles when you only have citation information. During your research process, you may come across sources that sound interesting based on their title or author, but you don't have a link to the online source. OneSearch provides a tool to help you locate articles, books, or journals when all you have is the citation. You will find Citation link under the Research tab on the SJSU Library homepage. The research page includes a number of helpful research tools, but we're going to click on Citation Linker. Citation Linker, or Fetch Item, gives you the option to enter citation for an article, a book, or a journal. Notice that the fields change with each type that I select. In my case, I have an article that's titled Information in the Public Library, written by T. Jellick, that was published in the Nebraska Library Association Quarterly in 2004. Now at the top, there's a note that for best results, include a title, ISSN, ISBN, DOI, or PMID number. But you don't always have that information. Likely you'll have the title, but maybe not the rest of this. So in my case, I don't have any of the ISSN, ISBN numbers. So I'm going to go ahead and enter what I do have. So I have an article title, I have a journal title, I have a publication year, and I have an author. So I'm going to go ahead and enter that information. I've gone ahead and typed in the information that I have. You'll notice that certain of these fields are short. So when you enter the information, it's going to scroll to the left, and if you scroll back to the left, it's going to look as if it's truncated, but it actually isn't. So I have the title, the journal title, the publication year, the author's last name, and in my case, I only have his first or her first initial. So with that information entered, I'm going to go ahead and click Submit. At this point, OneSearch will do a search in the database for the information I entered, and it will bring back a record if it finds something, and in this case it did. It found my article and in the Nebraska Library Association Quarterly, and I'm in luck because there is full text available at the EBSCO-host library and information science source. For more information about OneSearch, refer to the Quick Reference Guide.